So one of my hypotheses says that not some European leaders, but Lord Parashuram was, no, is the father of communism. Why I'm saying is because he's supposed to be an immortal. Okay. So Lord Parashuram is the original father of communism. The book he wrote, named Parashuram Kalpasutram, is supposed to be believed to be the first book on communism. So, one of the 10 avatar of Lord Vishnu in our Hindu mythology. I hate this word mythology, but I don't do anything because I can't help it, because that is the most relatable word in current situation. But Lord Parashuram, supposed to be the 6th avatar of Lord Vishnu, he exterminated the whole clan of Kshatriyas 21 times, this says so. That is the first act of communism. The basic line of communism is the restoring of balance. So taking power from the few and distributing it amongst a large section of people. So that exactly the act which he did, which in today's term can be termed as communism. And that book, Parashuram Kalpasutram, has so many things जो कि आप जब पढ़ेंगे तो आपको लगेगा यही तो है एक्चुअली कम्युनिज्म। ओके, इंडिया में कम्युनिज्म का हब क्या मानते हो आप? कहाँ पे मानते हो? किस जगह को? Okay, Kerala. So Kerala is supposed to be, the another name of Kerala is Parashukshetra. So the Kerala legend says that Parashuram threw his axe into the ocean, and that region called Gokarna and Kokad came out of it, and that region which you know as Kerala was earlier Parashukshetra. So Lord Parashuram then brought few families, Brahman families from North India, and established them there in Kerala. And that those families are supposed to be the most royal families of Kerala, called Nambutris.